in your life's blueprint, you must have as a basic principle the determination to achieve excellence in your various fields of endeavor. You're going to be deciding as the days and the years unfold what you will do in life, what your life's work will be. Once you discover what it will be, set out to do it and to do it well. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Finally, in your life's blueprint must be a commitment to the eternal principles of beauty, love, and justice. Well, life for none of us has been a crystal staff, but we must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but by all means, keep moving.
One fine day my heart whispered, let's break away from the monotony of life and jump into the world of unknown adventures. For how long can we contain ourselves from exploring the beauty that is out there? From desire to deep satisfaction, from eagerness to euphoria, from self-doubt to self-exploration. Traveling is an experience that enriches our being in the best way possible. As I escaped from the shadows of city lights to travel far and wide, I could feel my soul smiling with absolute joy after a long time. I heard my true calling that was silenced by the noise of my urban life. I wished to color my experiences on earth with endless stretches of green, immeasurable calmness of blue, rustic delights of brown, and mesmerizing sights of white. The more I travel, the deeper I delve into my being. At the end of it all, I realize such outward exploration is tied to our inward journey of self-discovery. So the next time you get the feeling of life not being enough, hit the road, challenge yourself, and experience the freedom you always have been seeking.
20,000 because he's small baby, me walking 2 kilometers for 20.
We are all broke. We don't have money.